Hello. Welcome to a OBS tutorial on how to get your sub count or gold count to appear on screen. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is head over into your internet, head over to your Streamlabs dashboard, download Stream Labels. You're going to want to click Windows, Mac, or Debian, depending on what you use. Now, it's going to be kind of important that you create a folder for this. I just used a folder for a font that I had just downloaded in my downloads. It's not that important, but if you want to be organized, just create a folder for it. And then once you go ahead and download it, it's going to ask you where you want the text files to go. Send it to that folder that I mentioned before. And then once it's already downloaded, you log in with what you want to use, whether it's Twitch, YouTube, whatever it is that you want to stream from. That's what you're going to want to log in with. I use Twitch, right? So what I'm going to want to do now is head over into that folder and then find where it says total follower or total subscriber count. So let's go to total follower count. Let's scroll down. Total follower count. As you see, it's going to show you my amount of followers on Twitch. Now that we have that, we can go into OBS, do a new text, go to read from file, browse, go into here, find that total follower count like that. And then we can go ahead and choose the font that we want. And then now, whenever somebody follows me on Twitch, this will go ahead and update. And now I have a follower count that I could go ahead and put on my screen. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.